What are you doing?
Putting some sausage on here.
Some buttered sausage? Is that John Deere approved joint compound?
Mm-hmm.
The right stuff.
We should get a sponsorship.
It's good stuff. The bearing was out of here, huh? That's what I heard.
Yeah, you should see the flat washers that were in it for shins.
What, were they all crumbly too?
No, they were just excessively shinned.
Oh, they were wore all right the hell out. Well, it is from 1970? 68? Is that what he said?
Yeah.
That's the year before I was born. And I'm 54. So that was a long time ago. There, now I can go back to what I was doing. The company's gone. Troy, you gonna put that on there now? Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go over here and weld. Oh, I'm gonna watch somebody weld. Making smoke and fire. You do alright. Look at it. We're done with, look at, we're making stuff. You know what this is, Troy, don't you? You know what this part is?
What part?
That he's building? We're building part of the bridge to nowhere.
The third with you?
Yeah. We're building a bridge to nowhere. Or as they say, a rudder for a duck's. A rudder for a duck's ass. That doesn't look very safe.
What?
But you got her, you'll make her. I'll leave you go now, I just wanted a little vidya. Okay? Little vidya. You're trapped in your own cage. You're welded yourself in. See you, bye!